Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload files in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to access your organization or account in Salesforce. After that, you will need simply to go to your files. So basically here in the app launcher, we will need just to search for files. And from here, we will find these items. And let's just go to the other files. Basically, there are two, one concerning the other fields, and these one are all the files. So from here, you can find all the files that you have uploaded. So if you want to upload more files, you will simply need to click on upload files and you will be able to add all the files that you want. And if you don't find these files here in your navbar, you can simply add them by, let's just go here, by going to this icon to customize your navigation bar. And basically, you will have this pop-up that will show up. Then, as you can see, I already have my files here. So basically, if you don't have it, you will need just to click on add more items and then go to all and search for files. And here you can click on the plus and you will need just to rearrange the place and then you will have it. Then you click on save and you will have your files tab here. Another way to do it is by simply going to a specific record. For example, uh, we can go to a specific lead or any record that you have in your organization, and some of them would have some attachments. So in the attachments, you can start uploading file. So basically, the leads doesn't have, but many objects would have some attachment or that you can attach some file and then you can upload your files. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.